Lots of cars here. Nice builds. Clean. All right. Everybody run the same wheels. TEs. Lots of cars. Well, this is a business area too, right? So.
Yeah.
Nice, look at this bad boy. Ah, so uncomfortable to sit in.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Wow, that's a lot of. Well, and there's more on that side. Wow.
So it's like a figure 8 basically.
Oh wow. Yeah, let's
walk around.
Yeah, let's walk around. We'll go around. A lot of cars. Holy wow.
Huh?
So many cars.
That's pretty good.
It's a big turnout.
A lot. Parking all the way back there.
Wow, you got parking here. How early did you come?
Early, dude.
How early?
Hell early.
Sup.
What's up?
So what happened with the
Yeah, tuning did not tune.
Yeah, so this car's down.
How
It is
long?
what it is.
Do we know how long for?
Another 1 or 2 weeks.
That's not too bad. At least it's not like a month.
No, he has the 8.6.
You want to see my scooter? Where's the fucking NSX? Still? Yeah, dude. How you been? Good. Yeah. Where'd you go with?
Yeah, the BTS BMW.
Sup?
Oh, okay. You know, there's someone like near like Hayward and Winton. They have the same exact type, and the license plate that says Thanos on it.
Nice. Nice.
It's like some checker flag wrap on it.
Okay.
Yeah, something interesting. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, man. That's good though, man. You haven't changed much.
I'm tired.
Yeah, well, that's work, right?
It's all related to work.
I'm working like 3 positions right now at my workplace in the county. Like,
Wow.
2 people randomly just quit because of the new executive director. They hate him so much that they quit. And,
Wow.
and these are people that have tenure, right?
They're seniors.
Yeah. They're calipers and shit like that. They were willing to risk that. I was like, dude, that,
No, not-
In this economy?
In this economy, I wouldn't.
I would rather have a shitty job rather than no job.
Right. Yeah. It is what it is.
Yeah, well, we just got here, so we're
We're gonna look around.
Yeah, look around. Actually,
that's what you were asking me.
here, then move up. Then you can like kind of split right.
Yeah, we did.
So we'll go this way. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go walk around. You guys wanna go? Oh, really? Well, you wanna walk around with us now? Oh, let's go. So anything cool you see here? Just saying builds that we've been seeing for like. Oh, okay.
There's more GR Corollas was not that.
Well, they're more affordable now, right? The Rollas? Yes. Because the Rollas dealership is no longer doing the markups. Yeah. This guy's here.
Hello, sir.
There's a little gift.
Oh, shit. For me?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
Birthday.
Hello. What's up? This is my friend, Nana. Okay.
I should pull up here. Nah, too far. Who cares? I'll be the one.
I was eyeballing it. Empty?
Yeah.
What about your other card?
Need a port and or here. Long reach right now.
It's a long reach for you. You got a 11 or
11's still good.
That was my first call.
Lemon's like basically no pop-ups.
Yeah.
No pop-ups.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a 10
Cars are pop-ups. Hey, yo. Who looks good?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna walk around.
Either way, that guy's been sent. He was another co-owner for the Fujiwara place.
Yeah. That's why he was always there when we were there. Yeah, so I get it. Wow. Oh. Nice looking cars.
No! I didn't bring it down for you. You just gotta.
All you guys with money need to go somewhere else, bro. Jesus Christ.
Of course.
When it gets there.
Oh, we didn't grab one. You try to say.
Yeah, this looks nice. I know these guys. How you guys doing?
What's up, Richard?
How you guys doing?
Yo. How you been, man?
Good. My surgery's better now, so I can.
What?
I say my surgery.
Oh, yeah, eye surgery. So what, can you see it now or like LASIK?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. But now I have to protect it from the sun.
Yeah, I was
so.
to say, you have to wear sunglasses, don't you?
Forever.
Really?
Yeah. There's so much light. It's constant brightness.
So you can never go out in the sun without sunglasses?
Correct.
Wow.
But everything looks beautiful.
Wait, what about a computer screen?
Same thing. I gotta wear the what's it called? Blocks blue light.
Oh, damn, okay.
Yeah, it sucks, but whatever.
I thought it's better, though. I thought it's better.
I can see everything. Blue is actually blue. Red is actually red. Black is actually black and not gray anymore. So,
Now you see the colors.
so now I look at cars like, wait a minute, that doesn't look
Wait.
gray.
You're like, that Jackie's car wasn't gray.
I'm gonna look around.
Yeah,
Talk to you later.
absolutely.
Okay, white man. How's it going?
I'm mixed brown.
How you been?
Good.
Works good?
You're beige.
You're beige.
I am the gringo of that side of the family.
Nice.
This food smells fucking good.
Never learned.
This is a food place.
Yeah, you wanna go? That last.
Check over there.
Alright, let's keep going. We're gonna keep going.
Kind of residential.
Really good.
Wow. A lot of cool stuff. You need a JDM license plate? No, Giselle, bless you. You lose somebody?
I think Gio's talking to.
Is he?
He's affiliated with him. He works with him. Yeah, for real. Because we freaking. I want to support.
Knockout Supra.
Old coffee car here, that's about it.
Nice.
Food then?
I'm down for some food. I mean, we've seen these guys before. Silicus. Wow. Look at that Hemi. Clean. Hey, we should have parked over there. Yeah, let's go check out the food area.
That would have been hilarious if you parked up by yourself and you got all of the BTS standees.
Which I do.
Do you have them with you?
We do. We loaded in the truck. The trunk.
Things since we parked so far, I don't know what to display.
Yeah. I can put. So. I can park in the middle. Right? Wanna be so rowdy.
Oh, there it is.
Sounds like a BMW. Pops and bangs.
I was just walking on my seat the other day doing that shit. And I was just like,
Why don't you-
egging them on. Like, oh, here, come on, keep doing it. And then there was fucking cops down the road.
Nice. You should have revved your car too then. Oh, really? No, doesn't the Tesla have like some speakers and shit?
There is, but it's only for like if you're reversing.
Oh.
And even then, it's not loud at all.
Oh,
It's
okay.
so like
So you can't play sound through it?
you can, but it lacks any sort of bass.
That'd be cool. Screeching exhaust noise.
I'm still trying to work with this Russian.
Wait. I see Vietnamese coffee. Holy damn. Hey, bro, you want Vietnamese coffee? Huh? You want Vietnamese coffee? Or you want to walk around first?
Let's walk around first.
Yeah.
I do like some green.
Okay.
Zumbia.
Lumpia, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's my favorite car.
Where?
Star 33. It's clean. Nice and clean.
Oh. You get one soon?
Maybe. We shall see.
Where you gonna park it? Street park it?
I don't know. I'll have to.
I'll destroy the backyard.
You destroy the backyard.
That's the plan right there.
fuck all the landscaping and all that shit. Let's just concrete everything.
Yeah, like I said, concrete everything, dude. I had to this morning when we got out of the garage area. I scraped it so hard I couldn't get out. I was stuck. So what I had to do was I had to drive on his grass and go way angle it down, dude. It was crazy.
Yeah, I scraped my front lip backing into the driveway. I didn't realize it was that steep.
Yeah. More cars this way. That's great. Wait, so we're not getting food? we keep walking.
This way, yeah.
I like that. A lip. Looking nice. Looking nice.
Oh, wait.
You know somebody? All right, go ahead. It's nice. Oh wait, I know this guy. Did he find this the whole time? You're like, wait, I know those guys.
I know he's not just taking a photo.
We're filming each other.
How long?
How you been? How's work? Busy? I like it. I like it.
I had to park my car over there. Oh, no, it was over there.
Right next to me? Oh, then. Dude, let's get some food, dude. I'm hungry. Yeah. Where you want to go, though?
Like here or like
We go here or we go out?
I was gonna say, like,
We can go Pat Commons?
yesterday, so we should go, I want to go to Alice. It's you and me are the only Yeah. You don't want to go to Alice?
Well, this car's not going to make it because it's in a Tesla, so it doesn't have enough battery to get up there. Oh, shit, oh, shit.
I don't know.
think it'll be okay.
We made the call last time. We can go to In-N-Out. We went to In-N-Out last time.
I can go wherever. We can go Pat Commons again, or...
I don't know what.
Oh, she ain't here in the car or what?
Yes.
Okay.
We're getting BTS cutouts.
I just got them. They're in the trunk.
What from? The BMW?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Just to have. Just to have.
You ever do something just cause?
Just cuz.
Not generally.
Everything has a purpose.
Yeah.
No, probably next meet, I'll put them on display.
Are you gonna do a BTS rap or something?
Well,
Like their actual faces.
maybe.
That'd be
Every
hella
little
funny.
while.
Maybe next year. I
Do that
don't
to
know.
the BRZ since not drives that.
Yeah. Well, now she doesn't want it on the beers. So right now I have to buy another car. SUV? I think it's time for
Forward,
another.
CRV, get crazy. Get a CRV, lower it, turbo it to the moon, call it a day.
Yeah, let me see. I'm thinking of something 7 seats, so. Maybe X5, maybe.
Oh.
Thomas, let's go eat, bro.
I know, I saw their TikTok where they dropped the merch. I was like, oh my god.
Wait, there was a 99 Ranch hoodie?
Yeah, 99 Ranch was merch.
I want it.
Let's go.
I missed the 99 Ranch that was in Dublin. It got closed down.
Let's go, let's get food.
Because like there was a
So you're
fire
hungry?
in the kitchen,
Oh, we go out
and
and
then they
eat.
didn't want to pay to repair it. So
Are we going out and eat?
Are you eat here or we go like maybe
Let me
Pat
see the
Commons?
price. Because you know, like vendor food has to be low price.
the Korean spot is like 15 to like $20.
No way, dude. Might as well just fucking go like out there.
I might as well get like an actual Korean meal for like $20.
Yeah, I mean it's not bad. As in like, it's pretty tasty.
You tried it?
Yeah, we got the kimchi fried rice.
Nope.
I don't
Not
part.
me. Not me. Not me. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Are we looking or are we leaving?
I think we're looking at the food.
Have you guys already looked at everything? I've walked around like 10 times.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Nice. To find us?
Yeah.
So where are these guys?
I texted both of you, and then it was just like he overslept.
I overslept hardcore, man. I was like, wait a minute. How long were you here for? How when'd you get here?
10:30.
Oh, really? Okay.
I saw the I overslept, and I was like, all right, I'm going. Where's all your cars, dude?
One's still comfortable on Beachport.
Uh-huh.
My broker just won fighting with the Porter guys.
Uh-huh.
And RX-7's in the shop because RX-7 problems.
Is it still at Lux?
Huh?
Is it still at Lux?
It's just the EC. No, it's at Subi. The place that you have your RX-8 at. Yeah, it's right now. Because it's the ECU. It does not like it. They're moving health tech right now. Apparently, this different goes from right hand to left hand drives. So they haven't done it at right hand drive at all. So they're trying to figure it out. Let me tell you. How much? That's not bad. The prices. Anything?
Expensive.
Really? I mean, I'm supposed to be hungry. You're hungry? You're more hungry? Okay. Oh, yeah, that is. Not bad.
Not bad. I don't want no fusion shit. It's Korean burrito. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
No Korean together.
This is the best car on earth. This is the best car on earth. That's all I gotta say.